Hi, my name is Andrew Stoltmann. I'm a Chicago-based investment fraud lawyer. Did you lose money with MetLife Securities? If so, those investment losses are potentially recoverable through the FINRA arbitration forum process. Now, most clients don't remember this, but when you open up your brokerage account, buried real deep in the new account agreement, it says if you want to sue us for any reason, you have to do it through what's called binding arbitration through a group called FINRA. Each year, companies like MetLife Securities get sued dozens of times for various violations of the federal and state securities laws. The most common claim that's filed against brokerage firms in any given year is a suitability claim. With respect to a suitability claim, the investor and his lawyer argue that the investment was unsuitable for the client based off of their annual income, based off of their net worth, based off of their future expectancy of income going forward, and their actual investment objectives. The second most common claim in any given year is called a churning claim. In a churning claim, the broker is alleged to have engaged in trading activity to put money in his or her pocket instead of in the client's pocket. That's a violation of the federal and state securities laws. The third most common claim is a misrepresentation and omission claim. With respect to a misrep and omission claim, the argument is that the full risks of the securities were not made known to the client, and had those risks been made known, the client wouldn't have invested in the security. Other common claims in any given year with respect to brokerage firms deal with a failure to asset allocate and to diversify. Brokers and brokerage firms have an unclad obligation to asset allocate and diversify clients' brokerage accounts. If they don't do that, the firm can be held liable. Now, there are other claims as well: breach of fiduciary duty, failure to supervise, financial exploitation of the elderly, and other related claims. If you lost money with MetLife Securities, call my law firm in Chicago, Illinois. We can give you a free evaluation as to whether those investment losses can be recovered on a contingency fee basis. Our phone number in Chicago is 312-332-4200. That's 312-332-4200. You can also view more about securities arbitration in my law firm at www.investmentfraud.pro. That's www.investmentfraud.pro. Thank you.